We are at Batar in Bolinao, Nete.
Ayan.
Bolinao, Pangasinan! Yay! Woo! After having a bit of a rest after our lunch, we will then go to a falls here in Bolinao. So the next agenda for today is going to a falls. Quite exciting. Pangasinan is known for its beautiful 100 islands which we visited 4 years ago. And now for today's video, we are going to visit a falls which I've never heard before. So this would be exciting. You have to do a bit of a short walk in order to see the falls. So here's the gang walking towards the falls. Another thing to do, guys, while you're here, you can rent a bamboo raft, and then secret, you have to find out. Labisan sa akin ng oldies.
Iba lang ito.
Nalilabisa. Hi! Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys. We are off to go under the falls. Very exciting. The water is so cold. It leaves you a cool feeling. I've really enjoyed this raft ride. Very refreshing. I seriously drank some water, guys, and I said it's good. It tastes like spring water, actually. Jai and I are pointing fingers who's gonna jump next, but then he decided to jump before me. Go Jai! This is a 20 feet falls jumping, guys, and before this 20 feet one, we even have to do a 12 feet jump before reaching this big falls. And sad to say, I had even slipped before I did my jump. Okay, moment of truth. I did it! Woot woot! After our jump, we did a bit of a swimming towards our bamboo raft. Time to watch it on a different angle.
Diretso mo! Straight na mo yung legs mo!
This is our tour guide giving us a tip on how to do the jump. Thank you, Lala. In life, when sometimes it hits you hard, you have to stand up, get up, and continue the show. My audience awaits. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagtalon kahit na nadulas. Masakit sa puwet, in fairness. Merienda time! Tara, mangan turon! Banana fritter! Yummy! Sunset! Pili ka kasi sa akin.
Yan! Yan manalata.
Manalata kasi na akong boobs.
Si, dali! Kasanting oh. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay. O, lawan nyo lang. Promise, nakasanting.
Dito ba sa may clouds?
Kumakin.
Ay, mas go.
Sunset! Wow! Nothing beats sunset in the Philippines!
The water is warm as well. Oh my
One, two, three. Left, see.
The water is very warm, guys.
The water's so clear. As you can see, guys. I'm in love with this view. I'll bring and remember this memory forever and ever. And ever. Pangasinan, ang ganda mo. Swimming tayo. Yay! Yay! Ikot ka dito. Yay! Sunset! The water is warm. It's nice and warm, guys. That's the difference from the beach in Australia from the beach in the Philippines.
Hindi naman ah.
Just enjoy the seawater. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.